Today's tangle is Puffle, a flowing ribbon pattern that dances across the page like butterfly wings in formation. It looks intricate, but once you find the rhythm, it feels effortless, almost like a meditative dance in ink. Welcome to Hobby 101, a calm, creative space where we explore Zentangle-inspired art, one mindful stroke at a time. This month, we're on the Inktober Tangles 2025 challenge, learning one new tangle pattern each day and weaving them all into one growing masterpiece tile. Before we start, take a deep breath and check in with yourself. How are you feeling right now? No matter what time it is, this time is yours to unwind. Let's begin by drawing Puffle. Start with a smooth, wave-like line. This will be our ribbon spine. From each curve, loop down and around, letting the shapes overlap slightly, almost like butterfly wings tucking together. Inside each loop, add an aura line to create that layered fabric effect. You can experiment with single or double auras for different textures. Both create a soft sense of motion. Here, I'm drawing a double loop variation. See how it starts to resemble wings or ripples, or a string full of hearts? Once your hand finds the rhythm, it's almost hypnotic to draw. And here's a 3-loop variation. For shading, focus where the loops overlap. A gentle sweep of graphite right at the intersections creates that lovely folded look. It's subtle, but the difference is pure magic. See how the shadows turn flat shapes into something dimensional? This is when the pattern comes alive. Now that we've practiced, let's bring Puffle into our growing Inktober masterpiece. Another piece in our mosaic of calm. I'm placing Puffle along the bottom section of the page where it can run alongside Zenith, one of the other patterns that we drew the other day. I think it'll fit quite nicely there. Repetition can feel meditative, like breathing through the pen. Every loop builds on the last, creating quiet focus, one stroke at a time. I always think of Puffle as the pastry of tangles, soft, layered, and oddly satisfying. Maybe I should rename it croissant, or I'll just stick to tangling for now. Here I'm integrating seedways, the tangle that we drew back in day 2 of this challenge, so that seedways blends in with Puffle and the other tangles. Try varying your pressure here. A lighter touch gives your ribbons an airy elegance, while firmer lines, thicker lines, make them bold and structured, both perfectly balanced. Watch how the shading transforms the space from two-dimensional to alive. It's that gentle contrast that brings the calm to life. I'm darkening the ribbon overlaps to anchor Puffle within the composition. It's amazing how a few shadows can ground everything, bringing stillness and flow together on the same page. Let's pause and check it again. Has your mood shifted since we started? Whether you feel lighter, calmer, or simply more centered, that's the quiet power of tangling. And that's Puffle, day 15 of the Inktober Tangles 2025 challenge. A flowing ribbon that feels graceful, rhythmic, and deeply relaxing once it takes shape. Join me tomorrow for day 16. We'll keep building this masterpiece one calm line at a time. When you like, comment, share, and subscribe, it tells YouTube these videos are worth sharing with new audiences, so more people can discover the calm of tangling.
Starts. A canvas blooms from simple arts. In tranquil lines, your Zen unfolds.